Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I would like to have my next workshop focus on painting a Sumi landscape from start to finish. We have worked on various things such as painting clouds, doing pomo on rice paper, doing different kind of texture stroke, doing shoreline, fishing boat, fisherman, cloud and mist, and everything is in this painting. This is a painting that I done a few years ago that won the Sumi Society Award for traditional painting, and the award is called Blue Heron Award. So I would like to share with you how to paint this award-winning landscape from start to finish in an upcoming workshop that utilize many of the skills that we have talked about. So I hope to see you in an upcoming workshop painting this particular landscape is titled Early Summer, and we'll do it early summer. Thank you, bye-bye.